Manen yen magwase me kajen video me pulo mo me te ko ngwenyon jere ni ale shibok re ni ale cha jaka kirme yadit la re ni al shibok long kadoma jenen yen magwase me shibok de dit today cam ko ko ti pen ngwad me jenden pin den no che te ngwad mo no me jen kore pan ga jemi chitok lo cha dini jana kana gole pause kan changmo shawar yor long rudin kan yal
so this is how kid made this
men chano mun dien de ko report am men ngena me ka jana me ka jen to tiangama na chatogo no che jang la bishop ka gole pause SSPD apan tamare ko mala kal chala do me kan nore lo kana doinire kan ko ga madan le ro so na mada ko yene dialo konti le ro na ko admen mala kala mo goro de jibi de na de ka shekten mi te karam de tende yaten ade mala ro de ya ma te ka video mi chala online video mo kwan bo katen bo ko nore lo chika kai kene ko na jang kane te ken kemendan cho la ka doma ko chikan ngai no cha ne ken ko ne yoko ate kanu ka nasir kan ulang chingwan nuare ke shu na kan wa so no montama so ko ke lo ko kan nuare ko kan ka attack no so me de ngach ala de ni ken ya de chimnen yana mo kan gor kan na kan nuare pulo di nen yen mo gwado men tama jen rena lan ci bok den nen no mum la ro so jen hebden no do ala kum kim yadi tele mat kene ko dan wara na yi gango dum go dobra den ar ganga je men cha ko lan longo gwado me te ramme che jaj te ramme che mo ko
can see
ne ideal ci kan no jen pulo di den te
Dinkas away from Upper Nile
china ci kan te no gwado jen te di mo so ntama tel afonyo bonu tan nuri tan tam ka nuri kan tan
we have to
ko chukor yorar leno banar yitu ka tan no den bala banar yigang ko yigang go no bigan nor plan ga tu kan kan dia so ne me jenda na report dan goro de ni nyoka yekel kam ne yen mo ko jen video me an biata ko ma ban jom do den
This is the bombardment of Doma. It was made in this morning on this date. So at 6 sharp. So this is how Kir made this. And, but the problem, the goodness is because all people survived, nobody died, and we are saying we are really fighting for our right, which is our location. Even though Kir attempted to do this, so he wouldn't be able to do this. We also appreciate God for helping us in this time, and this is how Kir met his own people. So we are exactly saying that we have separation, so we should not be combine it with Dinka again, else again, because this is how Dinka does. Because the Kir made this one. This is not because of this is a tribal fighting, because Kir wanted to genocide Nuer, which is not going to happen at all. And I hope we will achieve and we will have our own land, which is our fertile land, the Hoyole land. So we need only separation since Kir has done this. So this is what is then happening. But it happened in this morning and nobody hurt, so long as God is still guiding us. This is how this morning. You can see we are not going to leave fighting or clear Dinkas away from Upper Nile. So we are heading to Upper Nile, even though it's trying to buy the international world to do this. So we wouldn't leave. We have to do it, and we have to fight. This is how things are going. Thank you very much. Yes.